welcome to my channel, and today we're going to play Brawlhalla. One of my favorite games. Well, of course, this is an awesome game. Now we're going to pick our character.
Sentinel.
Okay, now we're joined. C for battle. Ooh, I already died. That's bad. Again. Here we go.
3, 2,
1.
1.
Let's battle. That's bad. I died. Not again, not again. No, no, no. Let's not die. No! Aw, man. Let's not die. Let's not die. Come on, let's come back. Alrighty, now. I thought it was me dying this whole time. Oh yeah, let's do this. Heck yeah. Does anybody want to play? Come on, join me! Ooh. I know we can do this. I know we can. Please! Please, 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 don't let me die! Don't let me die! Don't let me die! I died! No! Help me!
Shut down.
Shut down, yeah! Oh yeah! If you're still subscribed to my channel, please stay subscribed. Unless your name, well, is a little brother who needs to unsubscribe because you're no longer allowed to watch my stuff. I'd love for you to unsubscribe. Now, anybody who's newcomers, please subscribe, turn on your notifications, and post notice. Like again, please do that. Goodbye. Thank you for visiting my channel. Bye, guys.